All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to detail an engine bay, clean it, shine it up, dress it, make it look brand new again, and never ever touch it. No brushes, nothing. First part, our X-Treme engine bay cleaner. All you do is mist it on the engine, and this is diluted 3-to-1. This isn't straight. So when you guys get a bottle of this, it makes like 3 or 4 bottles of it. So I'm gonna mist it on. And remember, your engine bay gets wet when you drive in the rain. All you guys that think your engine bay can't get wet, you guys are delusional. Open your hoods up after it rains. All we're gonna do is spray the X-Treme engine bay cleaner on all the areas we wanna clean. It's very, very simple to do. The bottle goes a crazy, crazy long way. But wait till you guys see what this looks like when we're done. It's absolutely insane how this comes out. And I'm never gonna even touch it. No brushes or nothing. This is how we detail vehicles inside our detail shop. So this is a real customer's vehicle. You guys can see the other videos on there too. Whatever you wanna do, whatever you wanna hit with it, spray it on there. This is pretty much wrapped up. I think we got everything on there pretty good. Everything looks really saturated. We're gonna let this sit here, guys, for just a couple seconds here, and then I'm gonna spray it off. I'm not gonna cut away. I'm not gonna have an edit. That way you guys realize that this is what we did and that's how it works. Everything looks pretty good in here. Still have more than half the bottle left, so doing really good. And again, this made 3 bottles for me, so we'll get it sprayed on there. Look at this. Look at this stuff already breaking down. Look at the stuff already breaking down on there. Pretty amazing, right? So usually we let it sit for about 30 to 40 seconds, maybe a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off right now for you guys. Watch this. And again, I'm never gonna touch it. Look at all this grime. Look at all the grime just going right away. Look how nice the plastic looks. Look at this thing. Get in here on this. Watch this. Insane, right? Look at that. Just literally melts right off of it. Watch all the dirt up here. Watch this. Holy Lord, look at all the dirt. Crazy. And when you guys buy cars from the auto dealers, they wash them the same way, except they use pressure washers. You don't need a pressure washer with this. Look at how clean this thing's coming. Absolutely insane. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the engine bay. This is gonna look like it's a brand new vehicle again. This is how the auto dealers do it. This is the secret. This is how they make these engine bays look brand new for you. Again, your engine bay gets wet when you drive in the rain. All you guys that are delusional about that. All right, beautiful, right? Look at that thing. Get in there. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely crazy how good that is. Absolutely insane. Get a final rinse off on there. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to cut away now, guys. We're going to go right to our DDE. This is the dressing. This is what makes it look absolutely ridiculous. All we're going to do is spray the dressing on. This is water-based. It'll dry on there too. All we're going to do is mist on the engine bay, the DDE on the engine bay. I'm going to let the vehicle's engine run for about 15 minutes after I close the hood. This stuff goes a long way too. You don't need tons of it on there too. I'm just letting it mist on there too. Still got tons of it on there. And that's about what it should look like, guys. Just like that. All I'm going to do is shut the hood. We're going to go ahead and let the engine run for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll come back, we'll open the hood together, and I'll show you guys what we got, so stay tuned. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and open it up. If I can open it up, and boom. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly how it's supposed to work. Check it out. Roll back the video, go back to the beginning, what it used to look like, and what it looks like now. Never even touched it. No scrubbing, no rubbing. 2 products. First this, then that. Close the hood, and boom, look at that. Detailed like a pro. Look how good all the plastics look. We did it in less than 5 minutes work. 2 products. Absolutely insane. That's how we do it. Real detailers designing the best products on the planet for over 7 years. If it's got that name on it, it's always the best. That's insane. That's insane.